Hello and welcome guys to my official YouTube channel, and as you can see on the screen that it's my Telegram channel Airdrop Hub 2020, and I'm right now giving away 50,000 Doji coins in the holy month of Ramadan, in the blessing of holy month of Ramadan, to 100 lucky people for just completing three simple tasks. First of all, what you have to do is I'm giving away the description. I'm giving away the link of this group, this Telegram channel's link in the description. You have to join it, and I will give away a airdrop link. That's a really good airdrop. You have to join that, and you have to subscribe our YouTube channel. Three conditions. All three links would be there in the description of this video, so kindly see the complete video so you don't miss this chance. And you have to complete all the tasks, and on the 10th of May I will give away these 50,000 Doji coins. On another video we will do live shuffling in front of everyone, so there would be no favoritism, and it would be real fair, and instantly you will get your Doji coins in your Doji wallet. So first, this is Airdrop Hub 220. You can see the link over here. I will give you in the description also. You have to subscribe this channel. On the other hand, next task is I will give you a link of a real good, and this would be the bestest airdrop of this month of April, and it's ending in 3 days. What you have to do is when you click the link, you will see a screen like this, ready to win. What you have to do is write your name here, okay, your name here, your email here, and then by signing in for this campaign, I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the I am not a robot. There would be a captcha. You have to sort out the captcha and click on the join the contest. You have to click here, okay. Then you will receive a confirmation email from ledger.com. You have to confirm that email, and then a page would open like this. You have to sign in, and you will get your dashboard here. Scroll down a little bit, and there are few social tasks through which you can complete and collect the points. First of all, let me show you what are the rewards they are giving. The first reward is 2000 worth of Trons. It's TRX token worth of 2000 USD and 1 Ledger Nano X for 3000 points. You can complete social tasks and earn as much as points you can. Okay, so let's move on to how to earn points. Scroll down, here it is. Share this on Facebook. You just click on it, click on this, share this on Facebook, okay, and you have to put your username over here, Facebook, and you have to click this. It will directly go to your Facebook and share it. Next, there is tag 3 friends on this tweet. You can simply go to Twitter, tag 3 of these friends on this post. You click on it, you click on this post and tag 3 of your friends and just retweet it. You get 100 points. Retweet this tweet without mentioning any of your friends. You can simply get 100 points. Make sure you verify your email, complete some social tasks, collect at least 500 points to be eligible to this reward. This reward would be distributed on 29th of April and it's ending on 28th of April. So you have 3 days. Do as much as you can, and on every referral you will get another 100 points. Just have a look. This is the second task, and the third task is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment below to this video that you have completed all the tasks. In the comment you have to give your email address. You signed up to this website, and you have to give away your Dogecoin wallet address. Make sure you complete all 3 tasks. Comment done, your email address and your Dogecoin wallet address. Thank you. Much more giveaways are on the way because this is the holy month of Ramadan. So I would be giving away Dogecoins, and more other giveaways would be coming onwards till the Eid. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go to Telegram and subscribe my Telegram channel also, and stay tuned for the more giveaways. Love you all. Thank you so much, and show your support to this video. Hit like, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and enjoy the giveaways. Thank you.